स्लेजिंग वेजिंग कर रहा था मेरे को, लाइक अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आया था, नया हेयर कलर कराया था, स्टार बना हुआ था। मैं कहा तेरा साइड में आ, तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ। फर्स्ट गेम ना, आई वाज टेलिंग अबाउट द बिल्ड अप की यू प्लेइंग विद दीज players you've always seen on TV. तो मैं अपनी टीम में तो था ही, then opposition also I'm looking at all these cricketers and I'm like कहाँ गया हो यार, like you know यार ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया कभी किसी ने मेरे को बोला क्यों नहीं चेंज करने को. So not a great record at all.
18 calling 18 is now a little settled. This is not how bowlers feel when this man is on song. They don't feel settled at all. But I'm going to take you to the very young, your first walkout, Virat. और उसके लिए हमने सोचा कि थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिक होने के लिए लैपटॉप के साथ माउस भी लेके आते हैं.
तेरी
एआई के जमाने में माउस के साथ हम प्ले करेंगे. जुल्फों में ईशांत शर्मा लहराते हुए. This is obviously the first wicket he got, and then you were going to walk out.
Yeah.
This is your captain. They had runs on board.
Yeah.
You and Ishant are obviously so close. Was there any conversation around the time? इस मैच के आसपास कोई बातचीत दोनों में?
नहीं, हम लोग we were staying in different hotels, the two teams, so there was not much conversation in this game. But हाँ वो स्लेजिंग वेजिंग कर रहा था मेरे को, like seriously. थोड़ा सा अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आया था, नया हेयर कलर कराया था, तो थोड़ा सा स्टार बना हुआ था. मैं कहा तेरा साइड में आ, तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ. But all fun and games. A lot of pressure in this game I felt because I'd never played, as you asked me before, in front of a packed stadium like this before.
How did you feel when you walked out? I mean, obviously this was focusing on Rahul Dravid going all the way back, and then आपको हम strike पे देखते हैं. When you walked out to bat, इतने लोग, शोरगुल, माहौल अलग.
कोई शोर नहीं मचाता था.
Nervous? तितलियां पेट में?
हाँ, मुझे था कि यार इतनी बड़ी क्राउड है, मैच वैच हो रहा है, और मेरे लिए कोई तब शोर वोर थोड़ा मचाएगा.
नहीं, पर माहौल जो बना हुआ था, इतने हजार लोग, did that make you nervous at any point?
I mean, of course. Again, first game now, I was telling you about the build up ki you're playing with these players you've always seen on TV, or now you're in the game. Now you're actually playing a game with them, which is at this level in front of so many people. तो मैं अपनी टीम में तो था ही, then opposition also I'm looking at all these cricketers and I'm like कहाँ गया हो यार, like you know that kind of intimidating feeling was there. So yeah, definitely I felt a lot of pressure.
We'll take you through it. Let's see a young Virat Kohli on strike. दादा बात कर रहे हैं शायद से. Ricky Ponting is on the field. All the biggies, giants of the game.
McCullum was keeping. I mean, it was honestly, it was. I was really really nervous. मुझे अभी भी याद है मैं गार्ड मार्क कर रहा था and I was like
there.
हाँ. मतलब मैं सिर्फ you see I was looking at the crowd only, मतलब कि इतने सारे लोग हैं. Different experience, very very different. And I was using 5 because Cameron White was in the team then. He used to use 18. So
PDM का बैट.
Yeah, good old days.
Zinc cream के साथ headshot.
यार ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया कभी किसी ने मेरे को बोला क्यों नहीं चेंज करने को. ये डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट का मेरा हेडशॉट डाला हुआ था आईपीएल में.
Okay, now what I'll do is I'll take you to your first half century.
This was in South Africa.
हाँ.
Yeah, that I remember.
कितना फर्क था, पहला आईपीएल हो गया था, गेटिंग इनटू द अदर आईपीएल. बाय देन यू हैड आल्सो मेड योर ओडीआई डेब्यू. आपने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट भी खेल लिया था 2008 अगस्त, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
तो हुआ क्या, फॉर आरसीबी फॉर द फर्स्ट 3 years आई डिड नॉट प्ले इन द टॉप ऑर्डर अ लॉट. मेरे को नीचे बैटिंग मिलती थी. इवन हियर आई थिंक आई माइट हैव वॉकड इन एट 6 और वॉकड इन एट 5, आई एम नॉट श्योर. But yeah, playing in the IPL was something that I was not able to crack to a large extent for the first 3 seasons. I would say, the impactful knock here and there I used to play. So, see again 4 down. I walked in at 6. So I was playing different roles for the first 3 years. Ye wali IPL was still better for me because those pitches suited my kind of game. The ball was coming onto the bat and I could play my shots. So it was a interesting period in my career, I would say. From 2010 onwards, then I started performing a little better. My career in the IPL kind of grew in the first 3 years. उसके बाद 2011 onwards, then I started playing at 3 regularly.
At 3 regularly. Yeah. So यहाँ तक how many you played? 16 matches, 179.
So not a great record at all. Yeah, I do. I think I played decently. But उस टाइम पे भी यार मतलब आईपीएल में there used to be this जो अभी भी फील होता है ना, दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फीलिंग एंड दिस प्रेशर, वो पहले भी फील होता था हमको, बट नॉट टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ एवरी गेम. 1 odd game, 2 odd games, but अभी तो it's become way too competitive.
पर ये 50 लगा के कुछ फर्क आया?
Of course, confidence. Yeah, of course, your confidence levels go up because एक level of cricket तो है ही, of course you know that, you can feel it, you can sense it. So when you perform there, it feels great. It feels like yes, you've done something significant.